All right, now for the fun part, guys. Get to rinse it out. Customer tried to do it on their own. They rented a machine a while back and from a local store, and that's what they got. So they called me up. She wasn't sure if I can do it. She really didn't have too much faith in it, but easy cleaning, guys. All right, so I'm gonna rinse it out and see what she says. Look, guys, if Green Rhino can't do it, nobody could. That's my guarantee, by the way. All right, guys. Amazed. You see one of those remodel shows on TV? Well, there's a lot of them, but, you know, they're like, oh my God. That's the type of reaction I got. I should have called you a long time ago. I can't believe it came. I thought we were going to have to replace it. So guess who she's calling next time. All right, guys. We'll see you next one. Oh yeah, it's torture. Torture working out here. Actually, this community here is about 40 minutes away from Paso. I didn't service here for a long time, but then I finally spread out my diameter, and actually, there's not a carpet cleaner out here that actually is based out here. So I'm building up a reputation, a lot of recommendations. This one actually Googled carpet cleaner near me, and I popped up. I always ask, like I said, a lot of recommendations. So I just kind of want to know how things are going as far as getting business. So yeah, it's a ways out here from me, but I'll make sure I book multiple jobs in this one room. You know, but the quote was $255 because it was more of a restoral cleaning. Yeah, saved her a lot of money. You know, a lot cheaper than buying carpet, right? All right, so You guys have a good one. Hope business is doing well. If you just started, if you're a veteran, what's up, guys? You know the routine. See you in the next one.